Hello, my name is Brian Dow. I'm the President and Chief Operating Officer of Flex Benefits. Welcome to today's product training for Flex Accident and Critical Illness. Let's transform health insurance together. We've created an easy-to-use platform with a mobile-first design providing full product transparency and flexibility in the fewest possible steps. Whether at your desk or on the move, Flex Benefits products are designed to address customer needs. We created 7 persona-based packages which act as a simple starting point which you can then adjust to your client's specific needs.
There are two plans, the accident and critical illness plans. The accident plan has an accident medical expense benefit, or AME, which pays your client for their out-of-pocket expenses. It also has accident disability income with weekly benefits and sickness riders which pay an indemnity benefit, which is a fixed dollar amount per day of treatment. The critical illness plan pays on more than one critical illness. It also pays a recurrence benefits on up to 50% of the original benefit in some cases. What features make our plans different? Our AME benefit grows by $500 in calendar year 2 and 3. Meanwhile, the deductible decreases by $100 each year. Calendar year renewals are on January 1st each year to align with most underlying health plans. We embed a $25,000 accident death coverage into all of our accident packages. The critical illness benefits include 18 unique illnesses, and the recurrence benefits are available for invasive cancer, cancer in situ, heart attack, stroke, coronary artery bypass illnesses. What are the characteristics of our AME benefit? The plan allows for an unlimited number of accidents each year. The policy pays cash to the policyholder for a covered accident, helps pay for covered out-of-pocket expenses not covered by the marriage and medical plan. We'll accept EOBs as proof of payment to simplify claims processing. Each accident has a 180-day benefit period from the date of the accident. There is a $250 deductible, which is reduced to zero by the third anniversary. Meanwhile, benefits increase $500 on the first and second anniversary to offset deductible inflation. Note, the policy does describe a percentage of Medicare reimbursement, which only applies when there is no underlying coverage. What are the characteristics of the AD&D benefit? We embed this benefit in every accident plan we sell. The benefit pays on the death resulting from a covered accident. The death benefit is $25,000 per adult covered person. The death benefit is reduced by 50% for minor dependent children. The dismemberment schedule outlines the payment for loss of limbs, sight, or hearing. See the outline of coverage for details. The accident disability income benefit is only for the primary insured. It pays the selected benefit amount after a 14-day elimination period each week for up to 13 weeks. The person must be gainfully employed to be eligible for benefits. For this reason, you do not find this benefit on our early retiree or senior advantage packages. The benefit applies when a person is unable to perform the obligation of their occupation and is in fact not employed. The claim will require certification by a physician. The elimination period begins on the first day of total disability, regardless of vacation, sick time, or other employer benefits. The indemnity riders cover sickness only for common services including inpatient hospitalization, physician office visit, urgent care, emergency care, and outpatient surgery. In addition, there is a wellness rider for preventive services. These optional riders provide a daily benefit up to the number of days selected. Benefit amounts and number of days may vary by package. Accident policy is required to attach any rider. The Freestyle package is a great way to explore all the optional benefits and create your own packages. The critical illness benefit has a face value of up to $30,000, which can help offset the cost of lost income, travel, and other non-medical services. This is not a one-and-done benefit.
The total benefit value is 2 times the selected initial coverage amount. In addition, there is recurrence coverage, which starts to pay for recurrences after 365 days and builds up to 50% over 5 years. The plan covers 18 distinct diagnoses, including ALS, MS, Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder. We cover a full list on the next slide. The benefits for covered children and adults of age 72 and older are reduced by 50%. This is the full list of critical illness diagnoses and the relevant payout percentages. It's important to recognize that not all benefits are paid at 100%. This information is also included in each brochure for ongoing reference. The Flex Benefits products are made available as a group association. This means that a membership is required to purchase the accident and critical illness coverage. These memberships include valuable digital benefits that can help clients with the convenience of receiving care anywhere with no unnecessary out-of-pocket expenses. There is a single level of member benefit. The association has negotiated that all family members listed on the application receive the member benefits without additional member dues. The online application from Clever Health makes getting better care easy. Async refers to the process with a digital question flow that can result in a prescription in some cases. No waiting. Synchronous is a phone call or video-based experience with a licensed care team. The majority of users prefer the immediacy of the automated workflows, but appreciate the availability of a live person. The mental health benefits are a great value. A similar appointment may cost over $100 with some online medical health providers. With a 24/7 interactive chatbot and appointments with licensed mental health professionals 7 days a week, Clever Health is there for you when you need help. The virtual vet is a new benefit. It's become popular very quickly. It's a place to get advice from professionals. While they cannot yet provide a prescription, there is a huge convenience to not having to get an appointment. There is a $39 copay for this service. We suggest a simple needs-based approach. First, start picking the benefit package like Career Pro or Early Retiree, which most closely aligns with your client's situation. Then align the AME benefits with the max out-of-pocket expense on the underlying health plan. If the person is employed, then align the accident disability coverage with their income replacement needs and budget. If the person has a family history of critical illness, then you may want to consider large amounts beyond the client's major medical plan out-of-pocket levels to cover non-medical expenses such as lost wages. Indemnity benefits work well with major medical plans that have copays. A few administrative items. Coverage can start as soon as the next day or up to 2 months in the future. This is a calendar year plan. Benefits reset each year on January 1st. This is meant to align with most major medical coverage. So a client's accident plan benefits refresh each year along with the reset of the out-of-pocket on their major medical plan. Premiums are due on the same day each month as the original effective date. Claim forms can be found and processed on the client portal at flexbenefits.loomislive.com, or a claim can be initiated with a call to customer service. There is a 30-day grace period for late payment to maintain continuous coverage. Once per year, a person has up to 90 days to reinstate plan benefits. This will result in a gap or pause of coverage. If premium is more than 90 days late, the client must re-enroll at the then current rates and initial benefit levels. We want you to expect a lot from us at Flex Benefits, including thoughtful leadership, products, processes, and tools that challenge the industry norms, and a strong track record and respect for compliance. What you should not expect from us: annual automatic rate increases. Our plans are priced at issue age, not attained age. Don't expect one-and-done benefits, poor customer service, and complex underwriting either. When you do have an issue, please reach out. Landscapers, retail employees, waitstaff, cooks, cleaners, roofers comprise more than 8 million industry workers. These industry workers cannot afford to use their health plan. A silver CSR above 200% of the federal poverty level has an out-of-pocket expense limit of roughly $4,500. That can be 2 months of take-home pay. They don't often have access to any disability insurance. ER visits for injuries are not all that uncommon. Our supplemental coverage can help make getting care and recovery more affordable. Flex Fuel is a product designed for a high-energy workforce. You can pair up accident medical expense coverage with accidental death and dismemberment, accident disability income, and a robust non-insurance benefits, including virtual access to healthcare professionals anytime, anywhere, via an easy-to-use digital phone app. Employer-based health plans are not immune to the challenges of rising out-of-pocket limits. 54% of employees report that they delay care due to the cost. 30% of employees currently report that they are paying off medical debt. Self-employed professionals don't have all the benefits of a typical employer model. When they are not able to work, they are not generating income. To this group, it's not just about gap coverage, it's about disability income, which could be provided by the accident disability income benefits as well as by the critical illness benefits. Career Pro is designed for employees and professionals looking for assistance to address the rising tide of deductibles and other out-of-pocket expenses. Accident medical expense, accident disability income, and critical illness coverage are complemented by Clever Health's non-insurance virtual care model for everyday sicknesses. You may pause the video to study the benefit ranges. Independent contractors are a broadly defined group. For years, this segment has been dominated by the trades, insurance, and real estate agents. Now we see this segment growing to include content creators, marketers, and high-tech professionals, as well as gig workers. Purchasing bronze level coverage plans is not unusual for this group, but that leaves individuals with significant financial risk. Bronze plans have an out-of-pocket maximum for an individual of $7,000 and $18,000 for a family. Independent Pro builds on the coverage of the Career Pro package, but this package assumes higher out-of-pocket expenses in their base plan. It also provides access to indemnity sickness benefits. You get all the benefits of Flex Fuel and Career Pro with the added value of indemnity benefits that can ease the impact of sicknesses that lead to hospitalizations or outpatient surgeries. You may pause the video to study the benefits and ranges. There are individuals that may feel comfortable with the major medical plan. That doesn't mean they are not concerned about the impact of critical illness for themselves or their spouse. The picture above is of my wife and I. We have firsthand experience watching family members deal with illnesses. We know that increases our own risk. Having critical illness coverage can help alleviate unexpected expenses and other change of life considerations. This guarantee issue product focuses on critical illness coverage. You may pause the video to study benefits and ranges. People retire early for various reasons. Some have savings. Most have a limited budget. Some people retire to care for a parent or family member. Not everyone is comfortable with their savings. Household expenses continue to rise, creating pressure on personal budgets, often leaving no room for surprise medical bills. The early retiree package is structured to provide a broad range of benefits to help find that comfortable balance between budgets and benefits. The accident disability benefits are not included in this package as they do require a person to be gainfully employed at the time of accident to collect any benefits. This is just one example of how Flex benefits plans flex to your client's needs. You may pause the video to study the benefits and ranges. Medicare Advantage clients often sign up for low or no premiums and the promise of extra benefits. These plans can be nice, but they do have in-network out-of-pocket expense limits which can be difficult to afford on a fixed retirement income. Narrow networks may even lead to higher out-of-pocket expenses, especially for snowbirds. Medicare Advantage was designed to complement Medicare Advantage. The accident medical expense coverage pays cash to the insured for all out-of-pocket medical expenses, including doctors, surgeries, scans, hospitalization, ambulance services, and recovery care up to the selected coverage limit. Meanwhile, the sickness indemnity riders align nicely with the underlying health plan copays for hospitalizations, physician office visits, emergency room, and surgeries. Access to Clever Health's non-insurance virtual care services may be especially valuable for snowbirds to deal with minor sicknesses and mental health needs without any copays. There's even virtual vet care for small copay. Thank you for participating in the Flex Benefits training. We will all win more deals when we work together as a team to provide lasting value for your clients. Please let us know your questions, comments, or concerns.